How to create entrance and mouse effect animations in Wix Studio. So in order to do that, just head over and then just choosing here an element that you want to add those. Once you have clicked on the element, click onto this inspector right here in order to open it. Now just click onto this icon and then you should be able to see this. So if you want to use an entrance and mouse effect animation, then you first need to remove any existing animation that has been added. Now for this one, let's choose in your entrance and click onto this add option. Just choosing here an entrance animation for that. Once you have done that, just head over and then scroll down and we have in here the mouse effects. So make sure to actually enable that. And as you can see right here, the mouse trigger can effect can only be available onto this one. So as you can see, we won't be able to add a mouse effect if we have an entrance. So you can either choose on entrance or choose on mouse effects. But for your information, mouse effects has other actual animation. So for example, let's show in here the animation options for mouse effects. Click onto this ad. And then we have in here blob, we have obscure, and we have other animations as well. So just head over and then add in here which animations you want. So that's how you create entrance and mouse effect animations in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.